You've just been in a car accident. The first thing I want you to do is try your best to stay calm. Keeping level-headed at the scene of an accident could be very important both for your safety, the safety of your family, and for your case. The first thing I want you to do after that is check yourself and see if you're hurt. If you're badly hurt and don't think you can get out of the car, don't move. Then check on your passengers. After you've checked on your passengers, the next thing I want you to do is grab your cell phone or somebody else's and dial 911. That's very important. If somebody's hurt, tell them they need to send an ambulance so that an ambulance comes with the police to the scene. After you've called 911, the next thing I want you to do is to hit your hazard lights. You need to warn the other cars coming down the road that there's been a car accident and they should watch out for your vehicles. Whatever you do, do not move your car. If the other driver asks you to move the car, don't move it until the police arrive. Once you move your car, the evidence changes, the scene changes, and you don't know what story the other driver is going to tell the police officer. So please, don't move your car till the police arrive, and if they want you to move it, let them tell you where to move it. If you can, again, if you're really badly hurt, don't move, don't get out of the car. Let the ambulance people help you out of the car. If you can get out of the car and you want to talk to the other driver, make sure it's safe first. Make sure you look both ways to make sure traffic is not going to come by and hurt you or one of your passengers. The next thing I want you to do is use this accident information card that hopefully is in your car. If you don't have this card with you, call my office and we'll mail you one for free. Then take this card and start gathering some of the information that's very critical that you will need later on to either get your car fixed or to help you with your injuries. The first thing you want to do is if the driver of the other car approaches you, write down their name, their address, their phone number, and more importantly than anything else, get their insurance company name. And don't just take their word for it. Ask them to show you their proof of insurance because you have to show them theirs. After you exchange all this information with the other driver, see if there's any witnesses that saw the accident happen. If there are witnesses, take this card, get their name, get their phone number, ask them to repeat to you what happened, and write their information again on this accident information card. If they are willing to tell you what happened and you have a record button on your cell phone, ask them to explain to you what happened, and if they'll allow you to, hit your record button and record their testimony. That could be very, very critical later on in your case about exactly how it happened in case somebody tries to put you partially to blame. So after you've talked to the witnesses and got the information from the other driver and written it on this card, the next thing you want to do is if you have a camera on your cell phone or a camera in your car, and again, if it's safe for you to do so, then go ahead and get out of the car and take your camera or your cell phone and take pictures of your car. Take pictures of your car and the other car. First, take them showing where they're sitting after the wreck because you haven't moved them yet. Then I want you to walk around your car and take 3 pictures from each side and the front and the back so we get an accurate picture of all the damages that we can see at the scene of the accident. The next thing I want you to do then is take the same camera, walk to the other person's car, and take pictures again of that car, both from the side, each side, and from the front. 3 pictures so we can get an accurate view of the damage to the other car. How badly a car is damaged in a car accident often will affect how the insurance company treats the case. So you want to take all the pictures that day. It is critical evidence that may disappear. Okay, so let's go back through what you've just done. First, you made sure everybody was okay and they were safe. Next, you called 911. Then you spoke with the other driver and got their information on this card. You also talked to the witnesses and got their story about how this accident happened. You collected the scene evidence we needed, the pictures of the cars, the damage and how they're sitting, and the area in which the wreck occurred. And the ambulance is on the way. Now, what a lot of times people don't think is that they're not hurt because they feel okay at the scene of the accident. Please remember that a lot of times you have adrenaline going through you and that helps minimize pain. A lot of times people don't start feeling sore or stiff until a few hours later or that night or sometimes over the next day or so. What's very important is that the minute you start feeling some stiffness or soreness or something is different than before the wreck, go get checked. Either go to the ER room if it's real serious or go into your own doctor right away. Because the longer you wait after an accident to start documenting that you have pain or some kind of problem, the easier it will be for the insurance company to say, no, we didn't cause that. That was somebody else's fault or that was another injury. And we don't want that to happen. That would be unfair to you. After doing all that, taking the evidence at the scene and getting medical attention for anybody that was hurt, the next thing I want you to do is pick up the phone and call my office. It costs nothing to make the call. It costs nothing to make an appointment and come in to talk to us. When you come talk to us, we'll explain all your rights. We'll tell you what to do and what not to do after that. It costs nothing for that first appointment, but at least you'll know what your rights are and if we can help you.